Hello everyone! If you want to see one of the best computer case manufacturers in the world, you are in the right place. I'm Deivian, and I want to show you the newest case from Fractal Design. It is called North.
Sorry, the camera is opposite. The North user guide.
North reimagines the gaming PC, introducing natural materials and bespoke details to make gaming a stylish addition to the living space. Fusing design and airflow engineering, the case features fine patterned mesh ventilation and an open front with real walnut or oak panels. The design is complemented by sleek brass or steel details and an integrated tab for easy access to the top of the case. Inside, North offers an intuitive interior layout and generous compatibility. Get a head start on your build with the two included 140 aspect pulse width modulation fans. Choose a GPU up to 355 or up to 300 with a 360 front radiator. Enhance the look of your gaming station with sleek wood and alloy details. Thank you Fractal Design once again for bringing the computer cases back to life. Wow! But these fans are huge! Can I show you? Wait. Nah, you don't see it. These are huge size. If you well, I don't know. Hard to compare. I just love the white color. Let's enjoy the white color. Okay. So it needs to copy a little bit back and then you lock it. So nice. There are good cables in it. Okay, looks good. And the other one is white. I never have white box before. I've never had. No, you can fit kebab there. But I like this wood thing. I like this so much. This is so cool. This is very cool looking. I like it. I actually didn't even understood that this is some wood here.